Hey, what's up, guys? Team Hard Life Captain Albert Zertucci here. All right, so with those sleeves that you saw me working on a little while ago, I'm making the double drop drum leaders. And so with these, I've actually been doing a lot of catching with, and a lot of our customers have been doing the same. However, you know, with the manufacturing process, things always change. We don't always get the same color beads because the manufacturers, things happen. It just, you can't always get the same color beads, because we think outside the box. We use different color beads for what we're doing, and the reason being because we got so many people that fish together as friends, as family, husband and wife, you know, brothers and sisters and stuff like that, but they also want to keep their gear geared toward them. That the way they know if their brother is taking their leader or their friend is taking their leaders, that hey, you know, you need to go get your own or whatever, you know, fishing does get expensive. So I want to give you a little video of what we're doing with the double drops now with the newer colors that we got going. As you can tell in the ones I was showing you, that's some pretty colors right there. So I'm going to show you what we got in store.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta line. I'ma call the whole team.
Yep. Alright guys, so these are some of the older colors right here, and they stop right about here. These are the newer colors right here, and as you can tell, there's some pretty cool looking colors. And as always, we got to double up and double stack all the way across. Now a lot of these I still have the availability to get them, but that was the thing too. I like to have a wide assortment, because that's the other thing. Yes, it's the same exact leader, different color beads, but at the same time we sell out so many so fast. I have to keep several hundred of them on hand at all times, because they're our hot sellers. But then too, I upgraded the label, so that's pretty cool. And again, yep, like it says, you've tried the rest, now fish with the best. And it's because, I mean, they've caught so much and such a wide variety of fish, everything from whiting, pompano, speckled trout, sheephead, flounder. We've caught shark on them. It's a whole assortment of fish that we have caught on these, and we found it's a happy medium between the smallest hook we can use to being the biggest hook, to where it doesn't deter fish from biting it. So again, obviously big fish don't care, but at the same time too, we found a leader that is the happy medium between it all. So you can catch perch, whiting, pompano, skipjacks, just about everything on these leaders. So again, this is a little assortment of the double drop drum leaders that we have. These are the older labels, so we're selling out of those. What I'm doing is the newer ones that I'm gonna make, I'm gonna stack them toward the back with the newer labels, so we can get those out of there and keep upgrading. And I think those look a lot more presentable than those that had a whole bunch. I mean, they both look good, I guess, but I don't know. What y'all's take? That one or that one? I even did that with my redfish rigs right there. These are the 2-3s, and I upgraded those labels. And I did all these leaders last week, so we're doing it. Oh yeah, leave in the comments below which ones y'all vote for. The one with the YouTube channel on there, or should I leave it as the other way? But even then, that was to Facebook, and we stopped posting to Facebook because the knowledge is just, you know, it's there for y'all to share and to reap the rewards, and there's too many trolls.